What's up, Speed Nation? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Thanks for clicking on the video. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, especially if you like the content. It'll really help the channel out. But you read the title, right? I got my 5-inch Carven exhaust tips. They're black. I'm going to do an unboxing today and an installation of the Carven 5-inch tips, and we'll review those as well. Let you know what I think. They're kind of expensive. I really wasn't looking for these Carven tips. Any 5-inch, 4.5 tips you can find is good. It don't have to be a specific name, but a lot of people have been going with this name, so I figure I'd give it a shot. You know, honestly, I don't think I'm gonna see much of a difference in these tips and any other tips because they're all the same. They're made out of the same stuff. Like on my other Hellcat, I had some no-name brand tips on there, and I think those tips were like 4.5. It was like 70 bucks. These Carven tips, they was like a little over $200. So they was a little expensive because I couldn't find any other tips. You know, I was basically looking for the cheapest ones possible, and I couldn't find anything at the time, so I just went with them. And it took 8 weeks for me to get them since I ordered them. They claimed 4 to 6 weeks, but it took 8 weeks to get them. So let me show you the car, how it looked before I install it. Also, Speed Nation, I got some good news as well. I finally got my invite for the ratchet school. That's the Hellcat driving course. It's in Arizona. So I have to go online and fill out see what available dates they have. So I'll be doing that real soon, and I'll be bringing you guys along as well. 2 YouTubers I know done the school already, and that's it. That's YouTubing on a budget and Cali Muscle, and they had a blast over there. It looked like it was extremely fun. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. So back to this install. I got all my tools right here. I think it's a 13mm and socket, which I have over here, my impact. Got my sockets right here. Excuse the bad lighting. I have my ratchet socket set as well. So here it is right here. You see the box unopened, Carven exhaust. Just the tips. Let's get the open in this thing. Razor dull. Not only they taped it, stapled it as well. What we got here? Yeah, it's a sticker. I won't be using that. Some good tips, man. Jeez. So people say when you install these tips, they make your car sound louder. I don't see how. It may be possible, I just don't see how. But we'll see when I install these things. I mean, there we go. Hey, I'm not gonna edit that. But look, got Carven exhaust right there. It's alright. Those are much bigger than the old ones. Alright, so let's get it started. That's what it looked like right there. See that? I'm gonna tighten it up a little more, then hit the other side. So here's one tip, chrome tip, which I don't know why Dodge still use chrome. I mean, I understand. That's just what they got. But the only thing that's chrome on this car was the lug nuts and these tips and the Hellcat badge. I mean, you look right here, it says Dodge in black. It says Charger right here in black. Come on now. You're gonna do black that, and then how you gonna put chrome tips on it? But that's Dodge for you guys. So here's a comparison. 5-inch tips, OEM tips, right? You see the difference, okay? So I'm about to install this one, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Should have wore gloves. So I'm gonna tighten it down. Two exhaust tips off. That's what it looks like with no tip. One tip. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Carven exhaust tips, 5-inch install. Alright guys, pretty simple install.